Luka Doncic, in my opinion, is LeBron James minus the athleticism. When you talk about being able to take control of the game, being feared by the opponents, is nothing that you could do to stop this man. The only person that is stopping Luka is Luka when he's off, and that is an off shooting night. Because he affects the game in so many areas, he puts the pressure on the defense. He puts the pressure on the officials. He gets to the free throw line at a high rate. He's 6'7", 255 or 260 pounds, and what he does on a night-to-night basis, I don't think the world notices enough, but the league does. When they do a scouting report on him, I don't know how you stop him. And I know the West is loaded. Do I have the Dallas Mavericks picked to win it all? Absolutely not. But I know a lot of teams are scared to play against the Dallas Mavericks because of Luka Doncic. And we heard what Jason Kidd said about a month ago. Think about this. He compared him with LeBron James, Magic Johnson, and one other guy I'm missing right now, but I know those two names popped out. Michael Jordan.
Oscar?
He said, no, it was Jordan. He threw out those three names, and Jason Kidd was called everything under the sun. But at the end of the day, those comments were fair at this point of Luka's career.